Right, these are my electric motors. I have just collected them, and by taking them up, these laundry machines apart, and I have 3 of them here so far. And also, it's my first time I found this one here in the machine, the dryer. This is pretty heavy. This is brass, and this part here is aluminum, I think, and here is brass. So I have this here. I have to take them apart. This one's probably aluminum again, uh, and I need to break it off and get the copper. I have 3 of them here, and after that what I'll do is to have a pile for these and throw them away because they're metal. Well, not throw it away, go take them to the scrap and weigh them. These here I'll probably keep, and I have one more to take apart, and this wire is pretty long and heavy, so I need to find a way to strip plastic off of it. So this is brass, and I will keep that as well. So there's one more motor I need to take out, and I've taken out, I think, about 5 or 7 apart already, and I need to go get them. They're not here, so I can get all the coppers from inside. These are all the wires so far I've taken out. All right, and I also have some of the wires here from the laundry machines. So we'll see how much copper I find, combine all of them together, and see. I don't know if I'm gonna take them to the scrap yet, or if I'm gonna just go ahead and melt them. I don't have a machine yet to melt anything. I want to get one, but it's expensive. I want to get a 10 kg, which costs about 400. So we'll see. All right, so this is what I have so far. This is my first video I'm planning on posting as soon as possible. I have made other one. I never ended up putting them online. So if you see it, guys, this is my first online video. So let me know what you think. Let me know. So help me out here. Help me out. Teach me. Learn with me. And let's make some money with me. All right.